Make a snowman, baby doll. Oh, you missed her! Oh, no face shots. Alright, yeah, you can hit each other's face. How your hands feeling, Jennifer, in those gloves? Come on, Shayla, show us how to make a snowman. Show us the Shayla way for making snowmen. Don't you hit your sister in the face with that.
I'm not.
Jennifer, you missed her from that close.